everywhere. This triggers that. This causes that to happen. So we thought, ooh, looks like we've got a bunch of events here. A bunch of events being fired in response to internal and external processes taking place. So clearly what we need, I'm using my open group standards. I'm an architect with my hat on. Clearly we all know what we're going to use for this. Clearly what we do is we use an enterprise service bus, right? Now, a friend of mine, Dan North, coined the phrase enterprise night bus. Now, these are, I don't know if you've come across in London, we have these. So after the tube trains finish, we have buses that go around delivering people after, as I say, late at night after the tube train finishes. The enterprise night bus is the kind of analog of that in the architecture world, where you only get on it if you're drunk. You end up sitting next to a madman, and you end up getting off covered in vomit. It's that kind of thing, right? No, we didn't actually use that at all. Other former colleagues have just written this book called Rest in Practice. And I've been on a journey for, I don't know, more than a decade probably, working in sort of enterprise integration environments, working in big organizations, investment banks, getting systems to talk to one another, back in Corba, RMI, and then we had, the kind of various versions of SOAP. Eventually SOAP became document-oriented, which was a blessing. But still, we ended up, personally, my journey has ended up believing that, or thinking for, I think, good reasons, that probably RESTful approach to building systems of systems is probably quite a good one. We could use the web. That's what we thought. We've got all these events, and we've got to integrate these different systems. Maybe we could use the web to do it. And this is my next tip. And this is from Ian Robinson. This is the idea of being of the web, not behind the web. I think as architects, as developers, as project managers, whichever